Okay.
And you can also close it again, of course.
Okay.
So it can be nice and warm. But if it gets too warm, first of all, you can put stuff here.
Yeah.
And also here you can put a lot of stuff. Easy.
Okay.
You can open this here, and there's a little bit more air coming.
Okay.
You can also put this back.
Okay.
Also, but if you say, no, I don't want her to have
Sunburn.
too much sun. And here you can also open it again.
Okay.
More.
People always tell me all night and day that I shouldn't let her treat me this way. How can she understand?
Do your thing.
Ayan. Stroller. Assembling the stroller for baby. Marami pa. Pero excited si Manoy. Manoy, excited ka? Manoy.
Manoy?
Yes, are you excited?
No, Manoy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, are you excited?
Well, I just started it, and Wendie, mommy, was already excited. She was
No.
like, oh, I want to go around, I want to go around.
Oh. So, ayan na siya, oh.
Oh,
Oh, ayan na.
Now you're taking video because it's done.
Yes.
Happy again.
Iba man
Right, Manoy, do you like which color to finish off
I don't know, up to you.
the buggy? You want the nice
Ayan na
pinkish
siya.
or
Yeah,
the,
because it's a baby girl.
and this is the summer, says Roman, and this is not summer.
Winter. We don't have winter.
Okay.
My love, you can take off your shirt. You are sweating.
sweating?
Yeah. Excited. Excited ka? Excited ka, kuya? Hoy.
Kapuya.
Ano kapuya? Pinagsasabi mag-ate. Okay.
And you can also close it again, of course.
Okay.
So it can be nice and warm. But if it gets too warm, first of all, you can put stuff here.
Yeah.
And also here you can put a lot of stuff. Easy.
Okay.
You can open this here, and there's a little bit more air coming.
Okay.
You can also put this back.
Okay.
Also, but if you say, no, I don't want her to have
Sunburn.
too much sun. And here you can also open it again.
Okay.
More breeze.
Okay.
Put in breeze. And then there is also here, of course. And you can open this. Look like this completely. You open it. And if you don't want like the ugly people looking at our beautiful baby,
You're so bad.
then you could do that.
It's just taking the cat.
You can do even more like that.
Wow, privacy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So that's you can put this up again. So there's more breeze coming in
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah. And the nice one is, of course, just one manpower behind the wheel. It has the shaking part.
Why? Why you
The
shake?
wiggling. Yeah, so you can wiggle.
Oh la la.
Sweet little baby, sweet, like that. Turning wheels in the front, can lift it easily.
Okay.
Good. All durable and nice. Leather.
How can you like put back like in the car?
Like in a car, you have to fold it.
How?
Yeah, that's I'm gonna figure out
The
for you.
struggle.
I'm not that far yet,
Okay.
but for sure you can. That I can tell you already.
Yeah.
Like here, this, and you can make it smaller for you.
Okay.
So that's also easy, of course. Yeah. these two. And I cannot do it now because this is on top, but then you push this, then you can,
Can fold it.
yeah, can fold it. And with here, this two, then you can put this, and you
Okay.
can get it.
Can just pull it off.
Yeah, then you can pull it up. So I think I just figured out your question,
Okay.
and I already answered it.
Okay.
Yeah, so
good.
now I got the normal color. Now I'm gonna check out the other color.
No, don't open.
Don't open.
Yeah, I don't want them to get dirty.
It will not get dirty, my love. There's no baby in it, so don't get dirty yet. Yeah, but I'm not completely done yet because I still have for when Daddy is strolling with the stroller. This Daddy needs to fix in, so Daddy has a little bottle of water with it. Maybe a bottle of gin.
Yeah, holder, but
I
holder.
think that's a better idea. Daddy doesn't care if baby's in is crying.
Oh, la, la.
So that I still need to do. And then I've got something here that I actually don't know yet what it is. But Daddy did buy it, but Daddy has no idea why.
Why? Why did you buy?
Oh,
For what?
That's.
Where is that?
Ah, yeah, we need to keep this.
For what?
That's then the car seat can be mounted on.
Ah,
Instead
okay.
of this one. Daddy's gonna keep every manual
Okay.
because I don't think Daddy will remember everything. And we've got the mosquito net.
Oh, that's nice.
There's also a lot of mosquitoes here. We don't want baby is in it to get all the mosquitoes.
In there, Dad.
Inderdaad. So of Daddy's first modeling building thingy for Sinna.
And there's a lot more.
Yeah. Indeed it is.